Hey, we need to find that crazy old
I
lady.
don't see Barry.
Oh,
Look!
Fleur.
Wait! Maybe that's him. That's the way to the chopper.
Okay, okay. I saw some writing over here. You see? What do we have here? Flare gun. Ooh, 4. That's not a good sign. It means some heavy stuff is about to happen. Okay, which way? Thermos. I saw the coffee thermos. Come on. Open. There's some stuff here. Flashbang, flashbang. Whoa, this is a lot of ammo. Yep, this is gonna be bad. This is gonna be real bad. Anything else here? Hear grunting. Like there is a pig or something. Huh. Concealed firearms are prohibited in this facility, which is a church.
I'm gonna give Pastor Howard a piece of my mind about this lock. I told him to get it fixed.
Here they come.
Let's take a break.
Oh crap, I knew it. I knew it. Where are you, Sarah? Okay. Come this way.
Right there!
Ooh. That was nice. But I didn't mean to use that. Okay, reload.
Omega-3 fatty acids are good for your heart.
Oh crap.
Hitting us!
That one. What the hell? Oh crap. Come on, you killed them.
Shooting!
I'm trying. Oh, we got one of the runners.
No, you don't!
Oh crap. Come on, man. Where is this guy?
Far enough!
Saw him. Gotcha. Yeah, you're gone. Oof. It's a good thing Sarah's here. Otherwise my ass would be toast. Come on, open that.
Okay, it's open. Let's go, Wake.
Okay, so we're inside a church.
Wow.
We keep them lit all night long on the night before Deerfest.
Why?
It's a good thing.
It's tradition.
So the objective is to make it through the church. Are we going to get attacked? Oh, manuscript page.
For it to be free, the Dark Presence needed the writer to finish the story. Again and again, the story let it get frustratingly close to the writer without letting it capture him. It was bound by the events depicted in the manuscript, but it could pursue the writer indirectly, put others on the task, and stop those who would help him. It took over everything in its path, made them its puppets, and sent them after Alan Wake.
Yep. Come on. Okay, so nothing else here? No? Good.
We're almost there. We'll have to go through the basement to get to the parking lot.
Yeah, there's no way going through the crypt will turn out to be a bad idea.
There's a window right there. We could smash it. Ammo. Ammo. Okay. Let me just reload everything. Okay, I'm gonna use the hunter rifle for a second. Yeah, this is not a good idea. Not a good idea. You heard that? Come on. Come on. Oof. Flares over there. Oh no. Boiler. Yeah, this is a bad idea. Anything here? Okay, just wait a second. I wanted to check the other corridor over here. I think there might be... Ah! Coffee thermos. I knew it. Okay, let's go. Go this way. Come on. And this way. Up. Kick.
Did you call 911?
Yes, I did.
Guess that one saw the light. Huh? You didn't like that one? A tough audience. Well, I got plenty more.
What are the Christmas lights for?
Protection, man. Like garlic against vampires.
Vampires.
The helicopter's just across the parking lot and up the hill. Come on.
You know, I like how Barry thinks. That's the spirit. Let me just check over here. This is closed. Can we use any of these cars? No. Yeah, I know. Up the hill. Let me just check here. Revolver ammo, rifle ammo, batteries. Good. Gonna go back to the revolver for a second. Where are you? Good.
The Bright Falls General Store is now my favorite place in the entire world. See this
Yeah.
headlamp? It's like a superpower. I can just look at one of those things and they die. It's my flaming eye of Mordor.
Okay.
I wish I didn't say that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I want a headlamp.
Last one.
Bastard.
I want a headlamp. Wait, I do have a headlamp. Let's see. Alice trapped in the dark.
Alice had screamed until she had no voice left to scream. Around her, the darkness was alive. It was cold and wet and malevolent and without end. She was a prisoner, trapped in the dark place. The terror would have burned her mind out, but one thing made her hang on. She could sense Alan in the dark. She could hear him. She could see the words he was writing as flickering shadows. He sensed her too. He was trying to work his way to her.
Yep. Okay, so this way. Come on, people, we have a lot of flashlights and weapons. Should be able to make it through. What? I think there's something back here. No. Apparently not.
When someone throws a damn school bus at your head and you're about to take a helicopter ride with someone who may or may not have a pilot's license, you're cleared for departure to Night Springs. No offense, Sheriff.
Yeah, nice one. There's something back there. Follow me. Yep, right into the heart of darkness. Flashbang. Oh crap. Mind helping me? Anyone else? No. Okay. Follow me. Oh, I think I saw. No. Oh. No. And take this. That's nice enough. I mean, nice. Hey, you. What? He survived? Damn it! The guy with the chainsaw survived a flare gun. You're never gonna get used to this? I'm getting used to this. It's no big deal anymore. You know, running around in the dark, shooting at shadows with chainsaws.
The
Okay.
helicopter's just up ahead. I'll need a while to prep for takeoff.
Okay.
Don't take too long. I want to get out of here.
Just give me a second. I know there should be some stuff around here. Oh, batteries. So this chopper belongs to the Bright Falls Fire Department. Interesting. Something here. This blows up, so gotta keep that in mind. What else? Yeah, big battle coming. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna select the flashbang because stuff is about to get heavy. Switch to pump action shotgun. Well, I do like the shotgun better. So I'm gonna go back to the shotgun and I'm gonna take that and that and the ammo for the shotgun and the flashbangs. Okay, so 24 rounds, that's good. So we have full ammo on that, full 6 on that, wow. Okay. What? Reload weapon. Oh. There, shotgun. We have this coffee thermos over here. Pick this up, pick this up. Okay. This thing's blows up. Come on. Come on. Okay, oh, we have this as well. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad. Yep. I knew it.
You will never get her back.
We're not ready to take off yet.
Well, get ready. I'll hold them off.
I will. Oh crap. Come on. Uh-oh. What the hell? Turn this on. Turn this on. We got a lot of taken. Okay, you mind helping me? Oh crap. Come on, people. Good. And you?
Try to stay alive, Wade. I'm skipping everything I dare on the checklist.
Okay. I'm trying to stay alive. Damn it. Come on. Oh crap. Ooh. Okay. Come on. Come on.
Keep fighting, Wade. We're almost ready to take off.
I'm trying. Got the Taken. Taken are coming. Come on, reload. There. Now you're there. There you go.
Wait, we're leaving. Get a move on.
Oh, good.
Wade, you better put an end to this.
Just get me to Weaver, Sheriff.
You're taking a big chance on a local crazy lady, Al. I hope you're right about her, or we can kiss this town goodbye.
So we're flying through the mountains now. And as I understand.
I hope you know
Whoa.
how to deal with this, Wake. I guess you New Yorkers are used to rough situations like this.
Right.
Yeah.
The city's a war zone. King Kong, mutant alligators, and Alex Casey shoots the place up every weekend.
What?
I never even carried a gun until a couple of days ago.
Well, my dad used to be a cop there. Tells some pretty wild stories.
Stuff like this?
No, just normal bad stuff. Kinda like your books, Wake. I used to tease Dad that he was just like Alex Casey.
You've read me.
Oh, sure. You're a pretty good writer. A little heavy on the metaphors, maybe.
Nobody's ever said that before.
What?
We're coming up on the power plant.
Yep.
See the lit building over there? And that's the dam further up the river.
Okay, the power plant. Good.
I can't land here. I'll take her down the road across the river.
Just get me there, Sheriff.
Oops. Lots of birds.
Hold on!
Destruction and creation are the same thing after all.